If you've tried to sell your home yourself, you know that the minute you put the "For Sale by Owner" sign up, the phone will start to ring off the hook. Unfortunately, most calls aren't from prospective buyers, but rather from every real estate agent in town who will start to hound you for your listing. Like other "For Sale by Owners," you'll be subjected to 100 sales pitches from real estate agents who will tell you how great they are and how you can't possibly sell your home by yourself. After all, without the proper information, selling a home isn't easy. Perhaps you had your home on the market for several months with no offers from qualified buyers. This can be a very frustrating time, and many homeowners have given up their dream of selling their home themselves. But don't give up until you've read a new special report entitled "How to Sell Your Own Home," which has been prepared especially for home sellers like you. You'll find that selling your home by yourself is entirely possible once you understand the process. Inside this report, you'll find 10 inside tips to selling your home by yourself, which will help you sell for the best price in the shortest amount of time. You'll find out what real estate agents don't want you to know. Claim your free special report now and start packing.